Okay, go Badr. Again, guys, good morning. Today, inshallah, we'll continue in lesson 2, page 444, area of triangle. So please prepare your books there, please. And let's start. Now, let's recall what we did, guys, in the previous lesson. Okay, in the previous lesson, we took the area of the triangle itself. We said that the triangle is half of a parallelogram. So if we have a triangle, okay, the half of it will make it area of a triangle. So the formula for the triangle's area is A equal half BH. Half multiply base multiply height. Okay? Yesterday we did that. Now let's take example. For example, a triangle with base 10 meter and height 8 meter, find its area. And here the pronoun goes to the triangle. So a triangle with base 10 meter and height 8 meter, find its area. I have the base, I have the height, I want the area, write the formula and apply it. So the first step, always and forever, we write the formula, half BH. Now equal under equal, don't forget that. Half comes down. Multiply B is the base. How much the base here is 10. Multiply H is the height. How much the height here is 8. Okay? Is 8. Now let's simplify. Half of 10, 5. Multiply 8, 40. 40, the unit meter. And don't forget about 2. So this is the idea of finding the area of triangle. Yesterday, I think we did example 1 and it's check. So let's do example 2 together. Amr.
Yes.
Amr, yesterday we did example 1 and the check, right?
Yes, we do that. Now example 2. The front of a camping tent has the dimension. How? Okay. A equal half BH.
Wait, Ibn, wait. Example 2, page what?
Page 445.
Yalla, guys. 445, all of you, please. 445.
Yes.
Let's read it together. All of you guys, stick with your book. Yalla. The front of a...
The front of a camping tent has the
dimensions shown. They show the dimensions here. Let's graph it on the board quickly. Page 446, we said, right?
Yes. No, 445.
Good. Okay. So we have the tent, the front of the tent like this. How much the base, yeah, Amr?
The base 5 over 1 5 oh, 1 over 5.
5 and 1 over 5 like this.
Yes.
What?
Feet.
FT.
And
And
the
how
height
much the height?
3 and 1 over 2.
Also feet.
Feet.
Now they need us to find what?
The area.
Yeah. What's the first step, yeah, Amr?
The first step, put A equal B, A equal half BH.
Half pH. First step, always and forever, guys, we write the formula. Then equal under equal.
Then we will make the form. We will put the numbers.
Yeah.
B, we will put 5, 1 and 1 over 5.
Thus.
Multiply 3 and 1 over 2 over 2.
3 and 1 over 2. Good. Now here we have fraction, multiply mixed number, multiply mixed number. If you remember, guys, what we did with the mixed numbers, we turned them to fractions, remember?
Yes.
Yeah, half multiply 25 plus 1, 26 over what?
26 over
5.
5.
Here, 6 plus 1, 7 over what?
7 over 2.
2. Now the next step, guys, we have multiplication over fractions. We multiply up, multiply down, then divide, right, Ya Amr?
Yes.
The answer will be 9 and 1 over 10.
Over 10.
9 and 1 over 10. What's the unit?
The unit feet.
Feet? No, the unit is square feet.
F square feet, yes.
Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. This is example 2, guys. Now let's do the check after example 2. We have check question. Let's do it together. The check. Let's do the check, guys. Abdul Hamid, read.
Yes, mister. A floor is tiled with triangular tiled as shown. Find the area of one tile.
Good. So we have tile like this in the floor, right?
Yes,
What's
right.
the base?
The base is 12, but it is cut in half, so it will be 6 because you want just one tile.
نعم.
The triangle is cut in half.
We want the area of the whole triangle, not half a triangle. So how much the
He
base?
said a floor is tiled with triangular tiles. As shown, find the area of one tile.
طيب.
He
One
wants the
tile.
left triangle.
No, يا ابني. One tile is the whole triangle, not half of triangle. So what's the base?
The base is 12.
Yes. The base of the whole. This. The whole of it is the tile. So we don't take the half. The whole base. How much? 12. Got it?
12.
12
The height,
what?
8.
12 what, يا ابني? What's the unit?
Inches.
Inch. And the height, how much the height?
8 inch.
8 inch. Now we need to find the area of this tile, right?
Okay. A
Yeah.
equal half. A equal half BH.
ممتاز. We start with the formula. A equal half BH. Then
We'll replace now. Half multiply 12. It is 6. Multiply 8. It is 4. It is. Okay.
half of the 12, how much?
Half
6.
12, 6. Multiply 8.
Multiply 8, 48. Got it?
Yeah.
Good boy. So this is the check, guys. In your book, page 446, up. At the top of the page, guys. At the top of the page. Please. Copy, please. Let's do example 3 now. Example 3. On the same page. Page 446 also. Abdul Rahman, read. Example 3, guys. Go there, please. Yell.
Find the missing dimension of the triangle.
Hello. Yell.
Okay. The base of they give me the area. And the
Good.
height.
Wait, Ebony. Wait. This is the triangle, guys. Okay. This is the triangle. It's colored in your book with a green, I think. With a green color.
Yes.
Now, what's the given and what's the wanted? What's your name? Abdul Rahman. What's the given?
The area and height.
The given is area and the height. How much is the area?
The area is 24.8
24.8. Ish?
centimeters.
No, wrong. It's not centimeters.
It's what?
It is not centimeter يا ابني. A equal what? What's the unit of the A?
SM.
It's not centimeter. What is it?
It's not.
It is centimeter power 2 يا ابني. Don't forget that.
Okay.
How many times we said area square units? Area square units. Don't say centimeter only. Be careful. And the height, how much?
6 point.
Quickly, Ebni. The height, how much? Abdul Rahman. Hello?
Yeah, Mr. I'm with you.
طب talk يا ابني, talk. How much the height?
The height 6.2.
6.2 centimeter. What's the wanted now?
The base.
Yeah. So here, guys, this question different from this question. Here, sorry, the base given, the height given, they want the area. Here, the area is given, the height is given, they want the base. We did this idea or similar idea in the parallelograms. صح يا عبد الرحمن?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, how we find the base now? What we will do, Yabni? What's the first step?
A equal 1.5 pH.
So first step, guys, we start with the formula, always and forever. Start with the formula. Then, so what I will write the first here, what I will do?
24.8 equal half.
So we replace A by its value, which is 24.8 equal half multiply. How much the base?
We don't know it. We will write B.
So we write B, multiply the height.
6.2.
6.2, like this. Now, what we will do, can you tell me?
We will
We need to simplify this sentence here, okay? The 24.8 comes down, equal. Here, what we will do here, tell me.
we will multiply 6.2 multiply half. Then multiply.
Mumtaz. We multiply the numbers with each other. Half multiply 6.2 and the B comes down. So B comes down, half multiply 6.2. How much, Ya Abdurrahman? Do you know?
8.1.
1. Now, what we call this? What we call it? We took it before. What we call it?
Call it division equation.
Where is the division, Yabni? Do you see any division here?
No.
So how we call it something? We don't see it here. How?
Variable. We're missing variable.
Mister, what we call this equation? What we call it? What's the name of it?
Multiplication.
It is multiplication equation because it has multiply, not division, okay?
Okay.
If it has division equation, we call it division equation. But here it has multiplication, we say it's multiplication equation. Now the question is, how we solve it?
We will divide 24.8 on 3.1.
We will divide by 3.1 in both sides, right?
Yes.
Say it.
What?
Say it.
We'll divide 3.1 both sides.
No, not divide the 3.1. We will divide by 3.1 in both sides. Say it.
We will divide by 3.1 from the both sides.
So here they are gone. Now what's the base will be? 24.8 divided by 3.1. What's the answer should be?
8.
Make division. It will be 8. What? What's the unit?
8. So 8 centimeter.
Same unit of the question. Centimeter. So here, guys, thank you, Abdul Rahman. Here, the area is given, not wanted. The base is the wanted dimension. So start with the formula, replace, multiply, do what you want, then solve your equation. You will find the answer. This is example 2, page 446. Now, after example 3, sorry, after example 3, we will do the check. We have check there. Let's do it. Check. Page 446 also. Marwan.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya Marwan, do the check or read the check.
Okay. Find the missing dimension of the triangle.
We have this triangle, guys. We have this triangle here. And it's colored with blue, but I have only red. Okay. Now, what's given? What's wanted? What's the given? Yeah.
The given is the area and
How much?
11.68 meter to power 2.
Good. And the base?
No, there is no base. It's
Wanted.
height.
The height given or wanted?
Yes, given.
How much?
3.2 meter.
Good. Now, so we have the height. We don't have the base. We have the area. And we want to find the base. How?
We will make 11.68.
No, wrong. No. Else, do you have anything else?
Yes, we will write the formula first.
Start with the formula. Always and forever. Start with the formula. Look. Formula. Always.
A equal
Yalla. A equal
half BH.
BH.
We
Now.
make equal under equal. We write the area 11.68.
Tamam. Then
Half multiply B multiply 3.2.
multiply B wanted, multiply the H given 3.2 in place of H. Good. Then
we will put the area, the number of area down as the same. Then we will multiply the numbers together. Half multiply 3.2.
and the B comes down. Now half multiply 3.2. Do you know how much?
Yes.
How much?
No, I don't.
It is 1.6. Okay?
Okay.
Now, what we call this, Marwan?
A multiplication equation.
What we will do?
We will multiply by the connected number, which is 1.6.
Mumtaz. So if it's multiplication equation, we multiply, right?
We divide.
Yeah, let's say it. Say the famous sentence, which I love.
We divide the connected number by both sides.
No, this is not connected number. We call it the coefficient.
The coefficient by both sides.
Yeah, what's the coefficient?
1.6.
Say it now with 1.6. What we say?
We will we divide 1.6 to the both sides.
No. You forget by. Say it again.
We will divide 1.6 by both sides.
Again.
We will divide by 1.6 to the both sides.
Again.
We will divide by 1.6 to the both sides.
Mumtaz. We divide by 1.6 in both sides. So here I will divide by 1.6 in both sides. Done. Still B and equal, and here make division. The answer should be Marwan 7.3. 7.3. So the base is 7.3 what?
meter.
Meter. This is the check page 446. Thank you, Marwan. Copy, guys. We have, I think we have time to do more. We have the apply question, page 447. It's important idea. Let's do it together. But before I proceed or I continue, please, if you have any questions, put your hands, please. Any questions? If you don't understand anything here, guys, please tell me. If you do understand everything, remove your hands so I can manage the question. The questions, sorry. No hands means you understand everything, guys. It's important. Good. Let's go to the apply now. We have the apply question or the apply example page. Guys, apply means, this page means how you connect the lesson with your life, with the things which is matter, things which are matter for our lives. So the apply question example, page 447. Let's do it together and understand what it wants from us. Right. Muhammad Kanakri, yes, read.
Yes, mister.
Guys, please, all of you guys, please, all of you, focus with me here, please.
Okay.
Yell.
Blossom, yes.
Read, ya Muhammad.
Blossom is painting the outlined section of the cabin shown. A gallon of paint costs $24.95 and covers 250 square feet. If the total area of the windows is 0.75 square feet, how much money will Blossom spend on paint?
Good. Now let's summarize the question on the board by its graph. Please, guys, focus so you understand. Now we have this in front of the cabin, okay? And in the front, guys, we have windows here, okay? The base is given. How much the base?
34 feet.
34 feet. Good. How much the height?
23.8 feet.
The height 23 point what? 8 feet. Good. Now our friend here, his name is Blossom, I think. He wanna paint this door or this front of the house, okay? He wanna paint, guys. He wanna make paint. Now my question is, when you paint your house like this one, I wanna paint this wall.
Yes.
Muhammad, when I paint, I will paint the window with it?
No.
Or I will paint around the window?
Around the window.
Around the window. I want to paint the window, right? So here what I want to paint, I want to paint the area which is around the windows, guys, right?
Yes.
It does not make sense, sorry, if we paint all. I will cover the windows. So what's the uses? What's the benefit of them, right?
Yeah.
Now, first step, yeah, Mr. Muhammad, if we want to paint, guys, if, for example, I call up a worker to paint my room here, for example, he will ask me a question to know the price of the painting and the work, everything. He will tell me what's the area of this wall, so he can tell me how much he will get money, right?
Yeah.
So the first step here, to find the money which we can spend on this wall, The first step is finding what?
The area.
The area. Is finding the red area, guys. The red area without the windows. And we know this idea before. To find the area between the triangle and the windows, we need to find the whole area, then subtract the area of what?
Squares.
The windows,
Windows.
right?
Yes.
And the area of the windows are already given, already given in your question. Look here. If the total area of the windows is what?
0.75
square feet. So the area of the windows is already given.
Yeah.
So what's the first step, ya Muhammad?
Make the formula.
Yeah, we find the whole area of the triangle, the whole with the windows, okay?
Yeah.
Equal what?
Half BH.
Half BH. Good.
Then half multiply 34 multiply 23.8.
Come on. We use our strategy, our ways to solve or to find the whole area. Now let's find the area. Half of 34, 17, right?
Yeah.
17 multiply 23.8. Do you know how much?
No.
I will use my calculator quickly to save time, guys. So it is 17 multiply 23.8. It is 404.6. 404.6. What's the unit, Muhammad?
Feet.
Feet power 2.
Yes.
What we found here, Muhammad? We found what?
The area of the triangle.
The whole area, right?
Yeah.
But I won't paint the whole area. What I want to paint? I want to paint the area which is between the triangle and the windows. So what's the next step now?
Subtract the area with the area of the windows.
Exactly. To know the area between the windows and the house or the border here, the borders, we need to subtract the area of the house from the whole area, right?
Yes.
So what I will call here, guys, the wanted area for the painting, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the wanted area. We understand the wanted for what? To paint it, right? The wanted area equals what? Tell me.
0.75.
Aywa?
The area is 0.75 square
The
feet.
wanted area is 0.75?
No.
Huh? What's the wanted area? How we find it?
The windows.
No, the windows is not the wanted area. We don't want the windows aslan. We want the area between the windows and the triangle. So what's the wanted area? How we find it?
Yeah, 404.6
Aywa?
minus 0.75.
Exactly. We subtract the whole area which we found in step 1 by the given area for the windows, right? So it is 404.6 minus 0.75. The 0.75, the area of the windows. I won't paint the window.
Yeah. Yes.
Now, let's find the answer here. 404.6 minus 0.75. Let me find the answer here.
403.85.
Let me check, Billah.
Okay.
0.6 minus 0.75. Exactly. It is 403.85. Sorry, not 75. 85 what? Feet squared. مظبوط?
Yeah.
Now, this is the area which I want to paint. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Now, let's go back to the question. I forgot the question. We found the area, the whole area. We found the wanted area. Good. Now, let's go back to the question to talk about the cost now. What's the cost? A gallon. Aywa?
A
Read.
gallon of paint costs $24.95 and covers 250 square feet.
Good. Each gallon, when I say a gallon, a gallon, I means what? How many
1
gallons?
gallon.
1 gallon. Each 1 gallon covers how much?
250 square feet.
250 square feet, right?
Yeah.
And its price, how much?
24.95.
0.95. So each gallon, guys, covers this area and costs this money, right?
Yeah.
But what I will do now to know how many gallons I will use to paint my wanted area here.
We will divide
Because we will divide what on what?
403.85 divided by 24.95.
No, this is the cost of each gallon,
Yeah.
right? Now, is this area needs 1 gallon or 2? I don't know. I need to know how many gallons. This is the
Yes.
cost of the gallon. I need to know how many gallons I need. Then I will use the 24.95, right? For
Yes.
example, if I need 2 gallons, I'll multiply 2 by this money, right?
Yeah.
If I need 3 gallons, I'll multiply 3 by this money, right?
Yes.
So what I will do here to know how many gallons I need to cover the area.
250 divide by 403.85.
250 divided by 403.85.
No. 403. Yeah.
403.85 divided by
Divided
what?
by 250.
250. Means I need to know, because each gallon covers this area, I need to know how many 250 in the wanted
400.
area, because each 250 needs 1 gallon. Got it?
Yeah.
So what I will do here, the third step, I need to divide the wanted area 403.85 divided by how many
250.
250s, right?
Yeah.
And if we divide these two numbers, guys, the answer will be 1 point, I will write the exact answer,
Okay.
1.6154 square feet. Got it?
Yes.
So, sorry, gallons, Asif. This is the number of the gallons, right? Each one of 250 needs 1 gallon. So this is gallons, the number of the gallons we need. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, we need 1.6154 gallons. I know the number of the gallons now. Can you tell me how we know the total cost, the last step?
24.95 multiply 6,154.
Exactly. So we multiply the number of the gallons which we found by the cost of each gallon, which covers this area. So here, 1.6154 multiply the price or the cost of each gallon, which is 24.95. Okay? Now, if we
Okay.
multiply these two numbers, guys, the answer will be 24.95. The answer will be 40.3, and I rounded it already, 40.3 what? Dollars. I'll repeat the apply questions, the apply question quickly, guys. Here we have to paint this front of the house. And in the middle of it, we have windows. We won't paint the windows. So the first step, we need to calculate the whole area, then subtract the windows, the area of the windows given. And the whole area, we found it in step 1. Step 2, we need to find the wanted area for the painting by subtracting the whole area minus the area of the windows. Next, the question tells us or told us that each gallon covers 250 square feet. So here I need to divide to 250 to know how many gallons I need. I need this amount of painting. Each 1 gallon costs this number of money. So I multiply the number of gallons with the cost of each gallon to know the total cost. I rounded it. The total cost, تقريبا, it's around $40.3. So this man at Blossom needs to spend $40.3, $40.3 on painting this front of the cabin. Got it? This is the apply question, guys. Now, what I want from you, if you open the next page, guys, here, you have similar idea. I want you to read the question and solve it using our way here, okay? Something similar, not exact, it is similar, okay? So do this as your homework with the page. You know the page of the homework, right? So what you will do, guys, you will do this check and you'll do the homework. And today, as always, don't forget your online assignment at 2 p.m. Starts at 2 p.m. today and finished in or expires in Saturday 11 p.m. So you have the whole weekend. Means you can go out, you can play, you can rest, you can do everything, but you can do the online assignment also. And here's my advice for you guys. You need to study the lessons. We have 2 lessons for this online assignment. You need to study the lessons, guys, before doing the online assignment. Don't do the assignment studying. So study, then solve. We don't solve, then study, right? Study, revise, do your things here, then do your homework, which I told you about, this page and this check, and then you can solve the online assignment easily. It will be easy for you because you get to practice good. Now, that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can contact me in Placera or any place. Placera, it's the approved one. So I'm waiting if you have any questions, or you can ask me in the next class, inshallah. Thank you so much. Hope you understand it very well and have a nice weekend. Goodbye.